Netlify supports custom domains with two methods. Netlify DNS, recommended for full features like auto SSL, or external DNS, keep Namecheap DNS, for example for existing email. Method 1, Netlify DNS, easiest. In Netlify dashboard, site settings, domain management, add custom domain, enter your domain, select use Netlify DNS. Netlify provides 4 unique name servers, for example DNS1.p01, andzone.net, etc. Log in to Namecheap, domain list, manage domain, name servers, custom DNS, paste the 4 Netlify name servers, save, back in Netlify, verify, propagation up to 48 hours. Set as primary, enable HTTPS, free Let's Encrypt. Method 2, external DNS. Add domain in Netlify as above. Choose external DNS. Netlify shows required records. A record to Netlify's load balancer IP, 75.265 or similar. CNAME www to your site name.netlify.app. In Namecheap Advanced DNS, add a CNAME due to Netlify subdomain, optional ANAME for Apex. Save, verify in Netlify.